Hello there, and welcome to 4309 Tanner Drive, Gillette, Wyoming. Today we're going to be featuring a turnkey home for you that offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 1,871 square feet. With a tuck under 2-car garage, this home has been fixed up, the cobwebs have been knocked out, the dust has vanished. Here's the point. This is a rehabbed home. It's been remodeled. It's got some upgrades in it. We're excited to be featuring this home for you today. The best part is, in the basement, there's room for an optional 4th bedroom. So anyway, come on a tour with us and check this home out, and then be sure to get a hold of me, Jason Walker, Western Way Realty, and we'll be glad to show it to you in person. Hope you enjoy the tour. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour as much as we've enjoyed showcasing it for you. Again, I'm Jason Walker, Western Way Realty. Be sure to get a hold of us for your personal tour and a chance to make this great house your home. Hope to hear from you soon. Talk to you later.